out this aluminum bedside damage. You can see the edge is completely curled under. There's also a bulged up aluminum here and in this section here. So what you're going to see is a lot of glue pulling strategies along the edge, trying to get that shocked out on the edge to bring up some of the shallow areas as well. Now taking care of some dolly work with a thicker head, you can see how nicely some of that starts to lay down. More glue pulling, and of course more dolly down work. Continuing to shock out the damage. And yes, you guessed it, more dolly down work. The shallow areas still have to be worked up, so you see me shocking those areas in an attempt to get that to flow for me. As you can see, the damage is starting to minimize as we're moving through the repair here. Aluminum is definitely harder to work. It tends to not want to go back as easy as the metals. A lot of people think that because aluminum is a thinner gauge that it's easier to work, and that's just not the truth. It essentially loses its memory, and we have to be able to understand how to work aluminum a lot different than your mild steels and your high strength steel panels. So as you can see, the tabs that I'm using are getting smaller because we, of course, at this point am working smaller shallows and smaller areas. You can see me continuing to knock down a lot of the high spots. And again, as we move through the video, you're watching the repair really slim down. Here is the after. Now it's not perfected. Everybody knew that up front, but pretty great.